We're gonna make pumpkin waffles. We need 3 egg yolks, just half a cup pumpkin puree, whole milk, 1 cup measurement, some melted butter, and we're gonna put 4 tablespoons right in. The next step is all of our dry ingredients. 1 cup whole wheat pastry flour, and then we add cornmeal. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons, sugar, 2 teaspoons, pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, for our egg whites, whip them up until they get to a nice stiff peak. Now we combine the wet ingredients, our egg whites, and then what I have on the side here is a waffle iron. I'm using a coconut oil. Take half a cup of our pumpkin batter, we pour it right in, close it up. Look at that. And I love to use a whole fat Greek-style yogurt. Stonyfield yogurt has protein, it's got calcium, and it's got creaminess. Then, fresh fruit. You have to give these a try.